Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2012 Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe, 5.3 liter engine, and I'm about to show you how to earn $100 at least. Put $100 in your pocket by doing the oil change, alright, to this vehicle. Truck. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. I'm gonna show you the different brands, oil filter brands that I take this vehicle, and what type of oil you use is synthetic, by the way, and how many quarts you put in this 5.3 liter engine truck. Alright, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. I would appreciate it, and let's get to it. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. I hope you like the oil change video. And now I'm gonna do the oil life reset. I'm gonna turn the key to the on position all the way. It's okay, you don't have to start it. Then we're gonna play with this, guys. Press this guy right here, the card with the info, and that thing's gonna change. Press it until you see that one, the oil life remaining. Then press this check button, press it and hold it. Okay. Press it and hold it until you see the 100% oil life remaining. Let it go. And that's how you reset the oil life and do the oil change in this 2012 Chevy Tahoe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, anything you need to say, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. Holla at your boy, Astuo Burung. Hey!